the programming. If you think that the programming is only used by the developers and the coders, then you are 100% wrong. What if I will tell you that you can use the programming in your daily life without writing an even single code? Yes, without even writing a single code, you can use the coding in your daily life. Like here is my one of the program, and I will just press F5. Now it is asking for the URL. Let me paste it. And I was picked this video because there is no option available to download this. So just do this, enter. Now pick the resolution. Now here you can see that the video is downloaded. Actually this program I was used to download any of the video from any website that don't show the option to download a video. In the same way we can use a lot of different programs to make our life 100 times more simple. So in this video I am going to explain you that how actually you can use this programming to make your life 1000 times more simple. Now I am going to divide this video in some of the simple steps. Like in the first one we are going to understand the basics. The basics are, first of all, you just need to pick any of the IDE. Like maybe you can pick the VS Code, the Anaconda Navigator. I personally use the Anaconda Navigator for the Spider. Like actually in the Anaconda Navigator there is a Spider software that is for the Python. So every IDE comes with their own prompter. Like Anaconda comes with this. And what is this? So this is used to download the libraries. The libraries we can understand, like we have created our library but there is no book available. So how we can read it? For those, in the same way this work. There is the program, there is the Python, but there is no library available. So how it works? So we are just need to install the libraries. The step is very simple. Like so in this way we can download the libraries to make our Python very smarter. So now we have understood the basics. Now we are moving further for the second step. In the second step, we need to pick any of the AI, like OpenAI, the Cloudy, the Perplexity, or any other. OpenAI because it is one of the most used AI in the world and too much popular and too much powerful also. So let's try this. After coming to the ChatGPT window, we are just need to explain our idea, our problem, and ask for the code. Here we can see that the ChatGPT is giving us the program, and here we can see the program. But one more thing, this. So what is this? This is exactly the library. What we do? Just copy it, come to the prompter, Anaconda prompt, then paste it, then enter. I was already installed it, but if you don't have, then it will install it. Then copy the program like this, and come to the Spider. Control N for the new file, then Control V for pasting it, and then F5. Now it will ask for the URL again. And what type of program I have created, I will explain later. So here you can see that our program is working. Now whatever program I was actually created. I was created a program through which I will just paste the link of the application and it will download it. Like sometimes what happens, if we are downloading any of the software, it was downloading in good speed. But sometimes a software downloading in very low speed and we require very higher speed. So what we can do, we just need to copy the link from here like this and we will just need to paste here. It will install the program. So how in this way we can use the Python in our daily life. And actually we can also use it to our studies. Like let me explain you with one of the example. Now run it. Here we can see that there is the program and actually I was created for the pendulum but the pendulum is not here. Maybe some error is occurred. But if you don't find the pendulum then you can again go to the ChatGPT and install and say that the pendulum is nowhere. So it will make another code and maybe that code will work. So in this way how we can actually use the coding in our daily life. Now we meet in another video. Till that, subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. So maybe your friends will also study like this.